So, some people have asked me if we get any butcher birds. And there's one right there. Hey, little guy. They're not big birds. They're pretty cute, though. Hey, little birdie. How you doing? Hey. Check this out. So, I think it's been... Hey, magpie. So, I think it's been watching me feed the magpies. Hang on. Ready, buddy? You gonna catch? Ready? 3, 2, 1, hop! Nice! It caught it mid-air. Oh, and then dropped it. And now the magpie is going to eat it. I think it dropped it. Huh. Funny little bird. Hey, magpie. You trying to work out where it dropped it? Hey, magpie. Right, I've got something else for it. I'll see if it... Whoa. Hello. How are you? Look, I've got something for you. Oh my god, it just saved from my hand. Wow. I don't even know if it likes it. Hey, little guy. Are we friends now? Ready? Oh, did you miss it? Whoa. Did you see what happened? Alright, do you want to do a flying catch as well? Ready? Oh, another magpie. Alright, ready? Alright, bye bye.